Let's talk about Helldivers. Anti-cheat error fix was working in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But don't you dare give up on freedom and democracy just yet. Helldiver today, we're diving deep into the guaranteed fixes for that Helldivers anti-cheat error, ensuring you get back to spreading mad democracy across the galaxy. Get ready to learn exactly how to bypass these obstacles and return to the front lines of working. This is always the first step. Helldivers, sometimes game files get corrupted during download or updates, which can trip up the anti-cheat. A quick verification through Steam will check for any missing or damaged files and automatically re-download them, ensuring your game is pristine and ready for deployment. It's like checking your weapon before a drop, essential for success. Another common culprit is insufficient permissions. If Helldivers or its anti-cheat doesn't have the necessary access, it can throw an error. Try right-clicking the game executable and selecting Run as Administrator to grant it elevated privileges. This often resolves hidden permission conflicts that prevent the anti-cheat from initializing correctly. Sometimes the anti-cheat itself, GameGuard for Helldivers, can get borked. Head into your game directory, find the GameGuard folder and delete it entirely. Then launch Helldivers, and the game will prompt you to reinstall a fresh, clean version of GameGuard, often solving deep-seated anti-cheat issues. It's like getting a fresh start for your crucial defense system. Outdated system components can also cause anti-cheat conflicts. Make sure your graphics drivers are updated to the latest version, as well as your Windows operating system. Anti-cheat software often release on the latest system security patches and driver optimizations to function flawlessly, so keeping everything current is crucial for a smooth experience.